Looking for livestock water system services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know that keeping your livestock hydrated year-round is essential, especially with Alberta's harsh winters and unpredictable weather. Our livestock water system services ensure clean, consistent water flow with frost-proof, energy-efficient solutions designed for your farm's unique needs. Whether you need a new installation, system upgrade, or solar-powered options, we deliver reliable, cost-effective results. In Sherwood Park, fluctuating temperatures can lead to frozen water lines, inefficient systems, and high maintenance costs. That's why our custom-designed solutions keep your herd hydrated no matter the season. With expert craftsmanship, fast service, and tailored solutions, Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for livestock water system services in Sherwood Park. Want to learn more? Keep watching to see why local farmers trust us, or contact us today to schedule a consultation.